people, how you doing? You right? It's Kieran here. Let's go. Only joking, guys, it's just me and Alfie. Me being Shaun, Alfie being the cat. Let's go. What's going on here? Breakfast! Breakfast! Eggs, you dirty pervert. Alright, so while those eggs are boiling, I'm just going to have a little chat with ya. Welcome to the vlog! In case you haven't worked out, I'm in a very, very, very hyperactive mood today. It might wear off, but we will see. But for now, while I wait for the eggs, I'm gonna chill with my main man, William. Everyone seems to like him, so, you know, I'll get him in as much as possible. What do you think, Will? What do you think? Slightest sound just winds him right up. Ow. And by the way, at the beginning, Kieran, Dan, I was not taking the piss. Just a bit of banter, innit? Bit of banter! If you don't find it funny, just put a thumbs down. At least I know who it's from. Blast in the face! Blast in the face! I can safely say they are pretty much done. God, that was hot. In goes the bread. The eggs are pretty much done. Toast is done. Well, done for me anyway. You know, this is time consuming. Let's just cut to a time lapse of me eating. I swear I eat faster when I time lapse things. Funny that. That's right. It's walkies time. Alright, let's see how far I go for it. Alright, maybe that was just a little bit too cruel. Poor sod! It's got it though. Go on, here he comes. William! Good boy, mate. Good boy. I'm well, people. Alright, so a little update on the channel trailer situation. I've got several clips so far. Thanks for those submissions, by the way. You know exactly who you are. So there is time to submit a few more clips. I suppose I may have rushed a lot of you guys, but what I'm looking for is I've given myself sort of like a week or two. So it's been about 5 days since I asked. So if you still want to be included in the channel trailer, I can't even speak, channel trailer, submit your clips over to my email. Say whatever you like. I'll give you a little example because a lot of people will asking me questions on like what they can say. Basically, it could be anything like, hey, I like the way Shaun does his time lapses, or I like him, he's quite funny and quirky. You know, things like that, you know, and, you know, say who you are. Say, well, if you don't say who you are, I'm sure I will anyway. Yeah, get your clips over, guys. It'll be fun. I enjoy hearing from you. Well, leave the mushrooms alone. Ugh. I don't think you can really eat those mushrooms. You best not have eaten one. I bet he bloody well has as well. He eats everything. Bloody mushrooms. I don't even like mushrooms. They're disgusting. I think you're royally pooped, aren't you? Click like if you think he's pooped. Yep, you're pooped. As you can tell, I can't resist doing chin-ups in public. It's good for the core, apparently, too. So everyone keeps mentioning. Good for core strength. Right on the nose. Should we go home, Will? Yeah, let's go home, mate. On a brief note, I just want to thank all the people who subscribed to my channel recently, and I want to thank all the people who watch my videos, who leave comments and leave likes. I really do appreciate it. Now, a lot of people refer to me as Mr. YouTube, and there's a reason for that. It's because I always return the comments, and I always return the favour. I always check out your channels afterwards, and I do leave comments on your videos as well. If I don't, give me a little kick up the backside, and I'll come over and check you out again. Because I do, between me and you guys, I'm following as many channels as are following me. That's crazy!